You guys, the case I'm about to expose to you right now is very disturbing. You guys, this case involves a little girl and a mother who is desperately trying to keep her daughter safe from a predatory father. And obviously a very corrupt judge who doesn't care about the law and definitely doesn't care about the safety of the child. You guys, meet Theodora. She is an absolute amazing mother. She is an absolute gorgeous woman and very, very smart. In fact, she's in law school. And this is her baby little girl trying to protect her the best she can from a predatory father. You guys, I'm going to show you a video real quick and I'll be right back.
The Britain Police Department investigation was initiated after Angelina made allegations that your son sexually abused her.
No, but I'm not surprised. It's the fourth time you made this happen.
So, are you saying that you're accusing Angelina of lying?
I'm not accusing Angelina of lying, no.
So I have a video recording that was recorded in the hospital on Tuesday night,
Okay.
and was shown to a doctor who then referred us to go to Children's Medical Center in Hartford to perform a rape kit on Angelina after seeing the video disclosure. Would you like
And what
to
were
see
the
it?
results?
They need to be tested. They test them for evidence. Now, are you aware of that?
I am now. You're saying it.
And are you aware of the fact that there's currently an open DCF case investigation and an open New Britain Police Department investigation based on these allegations?
No, but I'm
Stop.
finding out now.
Ms. Antar, how many times have you made allegations like this? Is this the third time or the fourth time?
Your Honor, I don't appreciate being told that I'm making these allegations. My daughter is, and I have all the evidence, and you're refusing to let me show it.
How many times has this happened? Is this the
How
third
much
time?
evidence have you seen? You've seen none.
Listen to me. Is this the third time or the fourth time?
Attorney Stephanie Bernstein said she was disturbed by it. She says, why the F is the court still letting her go when Angelina made disclosures? She made disclosures on March 3rd, 2023 in Yale Child Advocacy Center. I would be happy to show you that. I have all the documentation. I also have documentation from her doctor. I have documentation from the hospital. Everything I have is documented. I have all the evidence. I've spoken to an attorney, and I'm not going to allow this to continue. I have all the proof I need, and attorney Stephanie Bernstein, who's well-respected, who said she well-respects you as well, stated that she's disturbed by this.
Attorney, Ms. Antar, stop talking. Where's your daughter right now?
My daughter is at school.
Where does she live?
It's her K-Prep program, which is called Bright Horizons in Orange.
And remind me again, who's supposed to have the child with them?
Today, of course, she goes with Miss Antar, and I pick her up on Friday from my mother's house. She gets dropped off at my mother's between 9 and 12 on Friday.
And there's multiple times his mother was not there, and I have evidence of that as well. There's multiple times. There's no reason why his mother...
Stop, Ms. Antar. Stop. Okay.
I'm not going to be rushed and not allowed to show my evidence. I have rights. I have legal rights, and there's no basis for him to sit here with no evidence. If you're going to let him testify, you're going to let him show evidence, you need to do the same for me. You are being unfair. You're not giving me a chance for counsel. I need time for counsel. My daughter's being abused, and I have proof. If you'd like me to show it, I will show you.
Ms. Antar, if you don't stop talking, you're going to leave my courtroom. Stop it. Sit down.
I have more questions.
Sit down. Has the Department of Children and Families contacted you,
No,
sir?
Your Honor.
Has the Police Department contacted
No,
you?
Your Honor.
Have you been served with any paperwork about this?
No, Your Honor.
All right, if this is true, is it the third time or the fourth?
This is the fourth time, Your Honor.
Objection. No, it's not.
Okay.
I have documentation that she made disclosures at Yale that states that he spits on her. I have documented videos of her saying he puts his penis on her vagina. I'm not... You're not going to hear... You accusing me of lying? You're not listening to any evidence I have.
You guys, this is Theodora's TikTok page, Pro Legal Solutions. She is doing a fantastic job in court defending her child, and the judge simply does not want to hear any of it. You guys, Theodora has all the evidence in the world to prove that her daughter is being molested and abused. However, the courts just simply don't want to hear it, and I think I know why. You see, the judges in these systems are completely complicit with child trafficking. You guys, meet Judge Jane Grossman. She is the presiding judge over this case, and she is a piece of work. And in my opinion, a walking hypocrite. You see, this judge goes by a completely different name than what she does on the bench. You can see right here, Jane R. Grossman. The name that she goes on the bench is Jane Cupson Grossman. However, that's an alias name. It's not even her real name. Let's don't forget to point out the fact that she's a Democrat. You might be asking yourself, why are you calling her a hypocrite? Well, I'll show you. If she's a true Democrat, why does she have a hunting license? Aren't Democrats against the Second Amendment? You guys, let's take a look at the father, shall we? Matthew J. Lottis. Matthew wants you to believe that he is the father of the year. Well, I don't think so.
Listen, can you listen to me?
Like my necklace.
Can I ask you a question?
Yep.
So you said when he was doing it, his pants were pulled down, right?
Yep.
And what about yours?
Mine.
Were yours pulled down when he was doing it? Angelina, it's very important. Were yours pulled down when he was doing it?
Mine were pulled down.
And his were pulled down?
Oh,
And when he was doing it, what part of his body was touching your body? Don't do that. You're going to get hurt. Give me those. Come here.
Nope.
Listen to me. Come over here right now. We need to talk. It's very important. Come over here, please. All right, sit down. Sit right here on the rug.
Okay, let's.
All right, sit down on the rug right now.
Good.
Yep, sit down. Okay, ready? So you're telling story time. You have to tell mommy. It's very important, okay? You're doing a great job.
Hey, we're playing school and you need to be teaching.
And can I tell you something? I'm very proud of you for telling me the truth. You know, I love you so much, and I'm just trying to keep you safe and make sure you're okay, right? Okay, Pictus? So you told me that Dom's pants were down and yours were down.
My teacher didn't know that I'm a princess.
Okay, listen. So you said his pants were down when he was doing it, and your pants were down when he was doing it, right?
Yep.
And where were you guys when he was doing it? Were you in your room?
We were at Dad's house.
Where in the house? What room were you in?
Living room.
Where in the living room?
Behind a big couch.
What color's that couch?
I just told you, gray.
So you were behind the big gray couch?
Yep.
What do you mean behind it? Like touching the wall?
Yep.
And what do you...
They're right here.
Were you on the floor behind the couch?
Mm-hmm.
So let me get this straight. You have a corrupt judge on the bench who is willing to protect a sick father and who is not willing to let the mother present evidence in court of the abuse. But yet she will award the father the custody of the child because she's claiming that the mother is lying. Oh, what's this? Connecticut judge under scrutiny for removing children from parents. Yeah, guys, that's the same judge. It's the same corrupt-ass judge who doesn't care about child safety and is violating parents' rights by not allowing them to introduce evidence into court. You guys, this baby little girl deserves way better than this. Way better. You guys, I highly encourage you to go to Theodora's TikTok page. Look at her videos, share them as much as possible, and expose this corruption. This has got to stop. This is so insanely sick. I am so sick and tired of hearing about judges protecting pedophiles. That's what it is. He's a pedophile. You guys, I can't even express to you how sick this makes me. I literally want to vomit. Yeah, I'm going to go vomit now. Okay, have a good day.